Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, the 25th of July, and today is Kids' Day. And so the story I'm going to read today is called Simon and His Boat. And the Bible verse that you could read is Luke 5 1 through 11. Simon had a boat. Every day Simon got into his boat and went splish splash out into the water to catch fish. One day Simon and his friends worked hard all night trying to catch fish. Do you know how many they caught? Not even one. Let's go home, they said. So Simon and his friends took back the boat, splish splash, and put it away. After a while, step, 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 Jesus came along. Now everybody wanted to get close to Jesus. Big people pushed their way. Big people pushed this way. Little people pushed that way. There was so much pushing that Jesus got into Simon's boat. Simon, he said, please move your boat out into the water. I want to sit in it and talk to the people. Well, Simon wanted to please Jesus, so he did what Jesus said. He pushed his boat. He wanted to do what Jesus said. He pushed his boat, splish splash, out into the water. Jesus sat in the boat. The people stood beside the water. Now everybody could see Jesus. Everybody could hear him. Then Jesus talked to them about God. When he was done talking, Jesus said, Simon, take your boat out into the deep water to catch some fish. Now Simon wanted to please Jesus, so he said, we worked hard all night to catch fish. We didn't catch even one, but I'll do what you say so. I'll do what you say. So Simon made the boat go out where the water was deep. His brothers went too. They put their fishing nets into the water, and then all at once, the net was full of big fish, little fish, wiggly fish. Oh my! Simon and his brother waved to their friends. Quick, come and help. The friends came in their boats. They filled up both boats with fish. Big fish, little fish, wiggly fish. Oh my! Simon and his friends looked at all those fish. Where had so many fish come from? Then Jesus told them about something better than catching fish. From now on, Jesus said, you will bring people to me. So Simon and his friends left the fish and left their boats, and they went with Jesus. And so what did we learn today? Simon wanted to please Jesus. He did just what Jesus said. Do you want to please Jesus? Then what do you need to do? Well, if we, as Christians, and that includes the children and everybody, that we need to do what if Jesus asks us to do something, then we need to do what Jesus asks us to do. All right, now I have a little song I would like to sing this morning. I will dig ye fishers of men, fishers of men, fishers of men. I will make you fishers of men. Go and follow me. If you follow me, if you follow me, I will make you fishers of men. If you follow me. Hear Christ calling, come unto me, come unto me, come unto me. Hear Christ calling, come unto me. I will give you rest. I will give you rest. I will give you rest. Hear Christ calling, come unto me. I will give you rest. I will make you fishers of men, fishers of men, fishers of men. I will make you fishers of men if you follow me. If you follow me, if you follow me, I will make you fishers of men if you follow me. I Christ calling, come unto me, come unto me, come unto me. Hear Christ calling, come unto me. I will give you rest. I will give you rest. I will give you rest. Hear Christ calling, come unto me. I will give you rest. Well, that is all I have for you today. Everybody have a blessed day, and remember, whoever you are, children or adults, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Everybody have a good day, and I will see you in the morning.